Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have a special Hot Wheels Monster Trucks unboxing. Today I ordered this truck on eBay, and I still have another one of these coming in the mail soon. And I got one of them today, and the one I got today was Bigfoot number 8. That is right, guys. I finally got another Bigfoot monster truck to add to my collection. Man, this thing looks awesome. And there's so many great things to look forward to with this Bigfoot. I can't wait to debut it in my sign-up series in the future. And yeah, this is gonna be awesome. All right, let's unbox this bad boy and check it out. Comes with a Connect and Crash car because this is from post 2019. All right, here is the truck. All right, it's got the white rims, the same casting as Bigfoot number 1. Shiny blue paint. I love these stripes, and I like how it has the old Hot Wheels logo, which is really cool. And it says Mattel as well. So I think this is supposed to look like the Hot Wheels logo from, like, what, 1968 or 1970s? I'm not sure. It's pretty interesting regardless. I love the stripes on the top. That is so cool. They really paid attention to detail on this truck. It's really nice. Yeah, so that was Bigfoot number 8. This truck will make its debut in sign-up series number 29, which is going to be an all Hot Wheels Monster Trucks edition. And along with Bigfoot number 8, you will also see the debut of the Red Invader, so look forward to that. So yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, comment, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a great day.